Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said, let him
God have mercy upon us.
So we go to the next day. Another trailer don't can drive roughly by Hastings. He killed a school child. Well, now a police case, like the other case like the Junction, within the school picking the commoner school, they come together, they begin pay stone on people they were in the past, whether you know the reckless driving of that man. They not only tap the vehicle, probably the man will be drive the vehicle, not to even get them. Then damage the vehicle.
God have mercy upon us.